Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the 5 best robotic lawnmowers you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on performance, features, and price. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for a budget robotic lawnmower or a premium model that can tackle up to 1.25 acres, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Worx WR140 Landroid Robotic Lawnmower. This is our best budget robotic lawnmower. If you're looking for a solid entry-level robotic lawnmower that provides you with the convenience of automatic lawn maintenance at an affordable price, then the Worx WR140 Landroid Robotic Lawnmower may be one of the best budget options for you. Currently priced at $980, the Landroid delivers impressive automatic lawn mowing with some great features at an attractive low price point and is easy to use for first-timers. You'll love the convenience of automatic mowing, with the Landroid being able to handle up to 1/4 of an acre with ease. Setting it up is as easy as laying down the boundary wire, measuring your lawn automatically with the mobile app, and then watch the Landroid do all the work. You'll find using the Landroid app simple with easy mowing schedules you can customize, or you can have it auto-schedule based on your yard's size and conditions. You'll be impressed by the Landroid's patented AIA technology that lets it navigate narrow passageways that are usually too difficult for robotic mowers, and its obstacle detection lets it automatically circumnavigate objects easily. If you have landscaping, you can also easily exclude areas that you don't want to be mowed. There's also a rain detection feature that returns the Landroid back to its charger to wait until the lawn is dry and ready to be cut, so you don't have to worry if it starts raining while it's mowing unattended. The key features are blades, micro-cutting blades that can be set to 5 cut heights. Area, handles lawns up to 1/4 acre and slopes up to 20 degrees. Security, app notification if the Landroid is taken from the mowing area. The pros are app, easily measure your lawn, schedule mows, and check mowing progress. Settings, 5 cutting height adjustments. Rain detection, automatically waits for the lawn to dry before mowing. Offset cutting disc, cuts closer to the edge, leaving less area to trim. And for the cons, accessories. Extras like anti-collision control, Find My Landroid, and digital fence can add the overall costs up. If you're looking for a great budget robotic mower, then the Worx WR140 Landroid Robotic Lawnmower is one of the most affordable options for you, with solid all-around mowing performance with easy setup and use. The 4th product on our list is the RoboMow RS612. This is our best robotic lawnmower for small yards. If you're looking for a solid robotic lawnmower with a range of convenient and smart features for your small to medium-sized lawns, then the RoboMow RS612 battery-powered robotic lawnmower is one of the best options for you. Currently priced at $1,600, the RoboMow delivers impressive mowing coverage across small yards with voice activation and quiet operation to keep your lawn pristine. You'll find setup is easy with the provided pegs and wiring that help you section off your yard, and the RoboMow app that lets you set your schedule and start mowing. It can mow up to 1/4 acre and handle inclines up to 20 degrees. You'll love the Alexa integration, which lets your RoboMow join your smart home with easy voice commands for keeping your lawn looking great. And with its quiet cut technology, your mower can operate without disturbing your neighbors. Like the Worx WR140, it has an integrated rain sensor plus an added safety feature that shuts the mower off automatically if it's tilted or picked up, so you're protected as well as your RoboMow. But if you're looking for a robotic mower that can handle larger lawns and deliver incredible overall performance, then stay tuned for the Husqvarna Automower 450X coming up later in the video. The key features are blades, dual blades with 22-inch cutting width. Area, handles lawns up to 1/4 acre. Security, valid code is required to operate, preventing theft. The pros are Alexa support. Control your RoboMow using Alexa voice commands. Quiet, operates quietly for non-intrusive lawn maintenance. Easy setup, takes minutes to set up and begin mowing. Versatile, can travel between zones in your yard and handle inclines of up to 20 degrees. Rain sensor. Automatically returns to the charging port until the weather clears up. And for the cons, warranty. 1-year warranty is less than most competitors. If you're looking for a great robotic mower that will leave your small to medium-sized yard looking beautiful every time, then the RoboMow RS612 battery-powered robotic lawnmower is one of the best choices for you, with powerful dual blades, Alexa support, personalized web app, and built-in security and safety features. The third product on our list is the Husqvarna Automower 315X. This is our best smart robotic lawnmower. If you're looking for a premium robotic lawnmower with smart features, then the Husqvarna Automower 315X is one of the best options for you. Currently priced at $2,000, the 315X can handle complicated lawns up to 0.4 acres, including narrow passages and slopes up to 40%, and features support with both Amazon Alexa and Google Home for incredible convenience. You'll love the Automower Connect feature that gives you full control of the mower right on your phone or smartwatch. The patented onboard GPS-assisted navigation creates a map of your area, which is quite impressive, and notes where the boundary and guide wires are placed so it can calculate which areas of your lawn have been covered and adjusts its mowing pattern accordingly. You'll appreciate the smart integration with Amazon Alexa and Google Home, allowing you to conveniently use voice commands to control your mower even from inside your home. While other mowers return to their base when it senses rain, the 315X can even continue mowing in the rain. The key features are blades, triple blades for lawn heights of up to 2.4 inches. Area, handles lawns up to 0.4 acres. Automower Connect, control your mower with its dedicated app from your phone or smartwatch and supports Amazon Alexa and Google Home. Headlights, LED headlights for better visibility and control even in the dark. The pros are no bagging. 3 razor-sharp blades create very fine grass clippings that act as a natural fertilizer for your lawn, eliminating the need for bagging. Anti-theft, onboard GPS tracking to always locate your mower, even in cases of theft. Complex lawns, set boundary wires so the mower smartly cuts only within the installed wire perimeter. Weatherproof, can continue cutting even in the rain. Quiet, runs extremely quiet so you can even cut at night without disturbing neighbors. And for the cons, wet grass. Although it mows in the rain, you have to keep the cutting deck free of wet grass clippings to ensure proper operation. If you're looking for a robotic lawnmower with smart features, then the premium Husqvarna Automower 315X can be conveniently controlled from your phone, smartwatch, and supports Alexa and Google Home, so maintaining a beautiful lawn is extremely simple, making it one of the best options for you. The second product on our list is the RoboMow RS630. This is our best robotic lawnmower for larger yards. If you have a larger property with a yard that requires regular maintenance, then the RoboMow RS630 robotic lawnmower may be a great option for you. Currently priced at $2,200, the RS630 is nearly identical in design to the earlier RS612 model, but the significant extended mowing time allows you to cover a greater area up to 3/4 of an acre on a single charge. You'll find both models feature RoboMow's amazing automatic functions and run on high-performance lithium-ferrum batteries. The mowers automatically start mowing when scheduled and then return to the base when it's time to recharge. Both models also have the intelligent rain sensor, which can detect moisture levels and only mows under dry, safe conditions. The RS630 also can be controlled wirelessly from your smartphone via a convenient and easy-to-use mobile app that lets you see the current progress as well. Where the machine's part similarities is the actual weight, with the RS630 being lighter but has a 70% wider wheel, allowing it to move across your lawn more efficiently. Overall, you'll get about 65 minutes longer mowing capabilities than the RS612 model, despite sharing the same 26-volt battery. The key features are blades, heavy-duty steel blades with a 22-inch cutting width. Area, handles lawns up to 3/4 of an acre. Security, alarm system, and a unique PIN code that locks the device to you. The pros are edge mode, follows the perimeter wire closely for complete mowing coverage. Versatile, can travel between zones in your yard and handle inclines of up to 35 degrees. Alexa, Intuitive voice commands for smart home integration. Modular design. Parts are easy to repair and replace. Safety. Safety switch and child locks for safe operation even unsupervised. And for the cons, expensive. For the additional 65 minutes of runtime, some may find the price jump from the RS612 not worthwhile. If you're looking for a reputable robotic lawnmower to maintain lawns up to 3/4 of an acre, then the Robomow RS630 comes feature-rich with dual-blade technology for fast, efficient, and affordable lawn maintenance with extended mowing time than the RS612, making it one of the best options for you. The first product on our list is the Husqvarna Automower 450X. This is our best overall robotic lawnmower. If you're looking for one of the best robotic lawnmowers for larger areas, then the Husqvarna Automower 450X is one of the best options for you. Currently priced at $3,500, the 450X is the top-of-the-range model for Husqvarna's X-Line series, with smart technology to navigate large and complex lawns, including managing slopes up to 45%, and comes with GPS assist navigation in addition to other great features to keep your lawn green, healthy, and perfectly mowed. You'll be impressed by the area the 450X can cover, with up to a huge 1.25 acres of lawn within its range. It has incredible obstacle navigation, maneuvering around obstructions and into tight spaces with ease. The mower also features a rubber front bumper, so when it collides with an obstacle, it can readjust and keep moving without scratches. You'll find its amazing cut adjustments can also keep your lawn at the length you want, with up to 3.6 inches of height for an organized but comfortable length. You'll love the smart Automower app that lets you program and track your 450X from anywhere with GPS, so no matter how far it wanders, you'll know where it is and how far into its mowing it is. It even features LED headlights so you can see it working even in the dark. The key features are blades, adjustable height dual blades for lawn heights of up to 3.6 inches. Area, handles lawns up to 1.25 acres. Security, theft alarm, unique PIN code, and GPS tracking for advanced security. The pros are navigation, enhanced obstacle and tight space navigation for thorough mowing. Visibility, LED headlights and GPS tracking so you can always find your mower. Automower app. Easily program and monitor your mower using the intuitive smartphone app. Build. Premium construction with a high-quality rubber bumper for collision protection. And for the cons, accessories. Pegs and boundary wire not included considering the higher price point. If you're looking for one of the best robotic lawnmowers for larger areas, then the Husqvarna Automower 450X can easily manage up to 1.25 acres mowing areas and comes feature-rich, including GPS assist navigation, smart technology to navigate large and complex lawns, making it one of the best options for you to keep your lawn green, healthy, and perfectly mowed. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. So if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.